Hello there mga ka-chicks. It's another late upload from yours truly. Yeah, this was taken pa last vacation ko sa Azerbaijan last Eid. So itong nilalakaran ko na to is ang Nizami Street, the one of the tourist spot in Azerbaijan, at sobrang dami ng taong pumupunta dyan. Mapa-local, mapa-tourist, and of course mga turista talaga siya ang pumupunta dyan. So, yung oras na yan is morning time right after we take our breakfast in the hotel. Kami ay lumarga na ng lakad going to Highland Park and Flame Tower. Isa kasi yan sa talagang gusto kong mapuntahan, ang Highland Park at ang Flame Tower. Syempre, hindi ka nakapunta ng Azerbaijan kung hindi mo pupuntahan ang Flame Tower. So, all the main sites of Baku are located all in close proximity to each other. So, pull on your walking shoes and go exploring. Baku is a very walkable city. There's wide footpaths, lots of underpasses to avoid a wait at the traffic lights, and it's mostly flat. At talagang kahit naglalakad ka, kasi that time is still malamig sa place nila, kaya ang sarap maglakad. Kaya tingnan nyo naman, kahit balot na balot ako dyan, ay Diyos ko po, lamig na lamig ang inyong kachik. So ayan, nakarating na tayo sa gusto kong destination. Alam nyo ba kung ilang minutes namin nilakad dyan? Siguro around 30 to 35 minutes, pero busog na busog ang aking mata. And so far so good. I'm very overwhelming that time kasi ay, ang ganda-ganda talaga ng city nila, as in. Tapos ang lamig-lamig pa. Tapos makakita ka ng ganyang kagandang mga tanawin. And ayan, I'm going to Highland Park. Ay, ang taas-taas niyan mga achi. Pero syempre, kakayanin natin yan for the sake of our aura. So, syempre, di ba, medyo hingal-hingal talaga ang inyong lola dyan. At age of 40, umakit ka ng ganyang kataas. This park is one of the popular attractions located in the capital of Azerbaijan. From its highest point, visitors can enjoy a breathtaking view. So from the top of Highland Park, you will see already the view of the whole city of Baku. And syempre may kita nyo na dyan yung kabuuan ng kanilang Caspian Sea. And ayan, yung Venice Mall. Yun, pinuntahan ko din yan, nilakad namin from there. Tapos ayan, yung kanilang park din. And then, syempre may kita nyo dyan ay ang Flame Tower na umiilaw paggabi. Yan yung ano nila, parang nag-aapoy na building. Yan. Diba? Tapos, ayan, basta sobrang ganda nung view nila from the top. Kaya talagang sobrang gusto kong puntahan yan, yung place na yan, kasi talagang napakaganda, as in. From there, makikita nyo rin yung kanilang carpet museum, and then the Little Venice. Parang ang lapit lang nila sa isa't isa, pero lalakarin nyo, medyo malayo din yan siya. And one thing that I known to this country, nung bata tayo, ang pagkakaalam natin, ang Christmas tree is yung pine tree. Hindi pala, oak tree. Kung saan napakadami nilang oak tree dyan sa Baku. Yung sobrang tataas ng mga puno na yan. Yan yung oak tree. Diba? Ang ganda mga achi. As in, hanggang ngayon para pa rin akong I love the view. I really like the place. It's so amazing. It's so fantastic. It's overwhelming kapag nandiyan kayo sa place ng city of Baku from Highland Park. So, that's all for now mga ka-chicks. Babalikan ko kayo kasi marami pa tayong upload. Bye! Ito pala yung muntikan ko ng miss na hindi masakyan. Buti na lang talaga bumalik kami dyan sa Highland Park. Kaya yan, nasakyan namin yung panorama train. Bandang. Ang ganda niya mga ka-chicks. Kaya try to visit there and try that one also.